Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In this tutorial video, I'm going to share with you how you can add a sidebar in any page of your website if you are using WordPress 2025 theme. So in this example, I want to show you for my blog post pages. So this is one of my blog posts, and what I want to do is that for all my blog posts, I want to add a sidebar on the right. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. By default, there are no templates that come with sidebar. If you are using 2025 theme, I'm not sure why this is the case. So I'm going to teach you how you can add a sidebar. So now let's log in to the dashboard and go to Appearance Editor. So once you are at the appearance editor, you will see there's a template selection over here. Click on templates and scroll down. You will see all the templates available for your website. And for me, I want only to add the sidebar to the blog post. So all my blog posts are using this template called single post. So for this single post, I'll just click these actions, the three dot over here, and click edit. So once I click edit, I'm editing the template for blog posts. So the first thing I want to do is to click on this document overview to take a look at the hierarchy of this page. Click on groups. Expand the group, you will see two groups. One is the content group, another group is the more post group below the main content. So I'm going to add a column. So that we will have two columns. So type in columns and click this column. And once you have this appearing, let's just select 66 by 33 first. And you will add it here. So I want to adjust this hierarchy. So click on document overview again. You will see that the column appear here. But I want the column to appear within this group. So just drag it up. Okay. So I will drag up again. Okay, so what you want to do is to make sure the columns appear before this group. Inside this parent group, column is the first block, then followed by the two groups previously. Okay, so this should be the hierarchy. And I want to put this group into the first column. So expand here, you will see two columns. This column and this column. And for this group, which is this title group, I want to drag it up and put it inside the first column. So now it appears in this column. So for this column, I want to add a sidebar. So click add and you can search for sidebar. So this is the block. So click on it. So these are the default things in the sidebar currently. Okay, so when you click on over here sidebar, you can expand. Then you will see that currently what are the blocks inside the sidebar. I have other posts. I have a spacer, and have a query loop. So query loop is the one that shows the other blog posts. So you can add in other blocks also. You can just click on this three dot and you can click add after, and you can add a lot of different other blocks as well. So there are a lot of other things you can add in your sidebar. You can add a form, you can add image, you can add the gallery. So this is the same usual stuff that you can add to your sidebar. So for demonstration purpose, I just want to add a page list. So to list down all my other pages in my sidebar. Okay, so I just want to put it here. So we will see that it appears all these links. So my readers can click on this link to visit other pages. So just some modification or customization, you'll notice that sometimes the title here is a bit low. So just click on this group and make sure that the padding on the right styles the padding, there's some padding here, so I will just reduce the padding so that the title will shift out and align nicely. Okay, and this should be it. And okay, just one more information to share with you is that you can click on this column and adjust the width. So currently the width for this is 66.66%, and for the other column, this one is 33.33. So you can adjust the width individually if you want. So for example, you want 80/20 or you want 70/30 is entirely up to you. So I click save and click save again. So let us go back to my website and take a look. So this is my blog post. I click on the link and now you will see that this is the right sidebar. So if let's say I find that the width is too much, I want to reduce the width. So I'll come back here, click on this column. It's 66%. I want to increase this to 75%. And the other one to 25%. And I click save again and go back to my blog post, refresh again, and you'll see that it kind of like reduced. Okay, so you can do some customization if you want. Okay, so another thing I want to share with you is that if you do not want a right sidebar, you want a left sidebar. So all you need to do is just to switch this partition around. Okay, so for me, I'll just drag this column above this column, and you will see that the sidebar changes to left sidebar instead of right sidebar. Okay, so when I click save, go back to the website, refresh the link, you will appear on the left, but you will need to do some adjusting to the margin. Okay, so for example, if you want to make adjustment to this left spacing, you just go back to the column over here, select column, and make sure the block is selected and click on this style tab. Scroll down, you will see this padding, left right padding. So you can just adjust it to maybe regular and click save. And now go back to the website and refresh the link again, and you will see that the margin or the padding appears. Okay, so this is how you add right sidebar or left sidebar in your 2025 WordPress theme. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the questions area below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.